Hi and welcome to this week's edition of the Panel Guy. This week we're going to be talking about a Latvian company called Tenax Panel. Now I came across Tenax last year. It was at a conference over here in the UK, and I was very impressed by the quality of the panels, the options that they have available, and yeah, I hope you, if you don't know Tenax Panel, I hope you find today interesting. At the end of the presentation, I'll actually share a company presentation from Tenax Panel, so you can have a look at that at your leisure and see what you think. But please get in touch with Tenax, have a chat with them, and yeah, see how they can help you. So basically they've been an insulated manufacturer for since 1991, yeah, they're part of a huge group of companies. Basically, they've been making composite panels, insulation. They're one of the largest polystyrene and foam manufacturers in the Baltics since 2007. So they've been doing it a long time. There's two, on the composite side, there is two innovative production sites. So they're going into the obviously renewable energy and sustainable methods of construction, obviously to produce composite panels, and they're working with companies such as like Comax, different mineral wool manufacturers, but again it's all about making sure that the products are sustainable and renewable, and obviously better for the environment and recyclability of the lifespan of the panels. So we've got a couple of panels here. Obviously you can see the types of things what they can do. You know, you've got the special wood coatings here, which is obviously produced with foil. These are available from the likes of Comax and West Alpine and different manufacturers. Then you've got special textured coatings here, which is just a polyurethane coating. So it's very similar to the likes of Prisma, Purpa, Granite, Spectrum, those kind of coatings as well. So good, good range of products available, manufacturing both PIR, polyurethane, and also mineral wool composite panels as well. Composite panels are available in 6 different profiles externally, obviously in a different range of micros, planks, those kind of things. Internally you've got which I find quite unique as well. You've got 4 different options. Normally it's either a box profile or smooth, but you've got, as I say, you've got 4 different options internally as well. So again, if you're building an internal wall, fire, coal store, those kind of things, then you've got some different options there as well. Module sizes are available between 1 meter to 1200. You've got 1 meter, 1100, 1150 and 1200 as well. So again, you've got those options, and they can make panels, as I said before, up to 300 mil thick as well. So it is, obviously all options are covered. There's lots of demand of late. People are pulling away from PIR and foam construction, certainly in the UK and Ireland, or whether it's an architect from here, they're tending to specify things which aren't combustible, like foam and phenolic type cores. So they're favouring for a mineral wool, rock wool, stone wool, glass wool, those type of products. So, but the problem is the thermal performance of those panels are still needed to be better. So the beauty of having somebody like Tenax who can produce a 300 mil panel, they can actually deliver 0.16 U values. So obviously it's very important to be able to achieve that. Lots of manufacturers tend to go up to 200 or 240 mil thick, but Tenax can go up to 300 mil. So that's they're taking care of there. One other thing which they have available to them is they can do multiple profiles on an external panel face. So on the external walls, it's the secret fix and the through fix panels. You can have a number of different options out of the 6 ranges of the 6 profiles externally. You can have those on the external panel face. So you can have a couple of different options. I think there's 3 or 4 different options available in total there as well. So yeah, they've got all of that. They've been producing, let's say, composite panels for a long time now, and since 2015 they've produced 3 million square meters. So that's something that they're very proud of. But that's only getting bigger and bigger and bigger. But yeah, I encourage you to have a look at the end, have a look at the presentation, familiarise yourself with Tenax and see what they can do for you. They're a global shipping company. They've worked all over Europe. They have stretched further afield as well. But yeah, they can deliver wherever you need them to. All the certification is all to EN standard, EN code, and yeah, they've got a range of colours. And stocks of different types of coatings. You've got polyester, you've got polyester mats. Now these vary from 15 micron up to 32 micron. I think the thickest I've ever seen is 27 micron, but 32 obviously very, very good. You've got the likes of polyvinyl difluoride, PVF2, as more commonly known. You've got polyurethane coating, as I said before, so you get these types of great finishes, longer guarantees. You've got the foil finishes again, which you see here. So they've got a whole heap of range of different types of finishes on those. And if you want any information on those, let me know. I'll be able to send you some on email. And also, as I say, the food safe. So they do PVC food safe, so that can be up to 200 micron thick. As well. So yeah, so if I can be of any assistance, if I can do any introductions for you to Tenax, great company. Deliveries 3 to 4 weeks. So they believe anywhere in Europe they can deliver 3 to 4 weeks. They've tried, they've tested, they've done it. Obviously, if it's a special coating, then obviously the lead time will be extended. But yeah, it's great company, great quality of products, and please get in touch with them and have a look at them, see what they can do for you. But yeah, as I say, presentation will be at the end, and you can learn a bit more about the company, a bit more in depth of some of the iconic projects they've done. One project that they have done, which is obviously something that I tendered for just a couple of years ago. I thought I was in a very, very strong position to win it, but unfortunately I lost it, and Tenax won, and that was for Eastbrook Studios in the United Kingdom, and that came with a BREEAM rating of excellence. So it just goes to show you their green credentials. So yeah, if you'd like to know say a bit more about Tenax, get in touch with me, info@thepanelguide.net. Give me a call, or say please log on to the details, which you'll see obviously underneath. But yeah, thanks very much for tuning in this week. Hopefully I see you next week. So please like, share, comment, share it with anybody, any of your contacts, or any companies that you think may be interested. And if you are a panel manufacturer, please get in touch. Like I say, we are looking for obviously to put you on the platform and to show you and to share you with the audience. Yeah, we're looking to grow this. Like I say, the important thing about all of this is we're just trying to give the positivity back, get some honesty and some truth back into our industry. One other thing about Tenax, which again is something I'm obviously really happy about presenting them to, is the wall panels that they produce. When they're fire tested, they don't have stitch joints. There's no tapes, there's no stitch joints, there's nothing. The only time that they would use a stitch joint is on the roof panel when they're testing REI 120. So that's the compression load onto the roof panel. So it gives you like a download, because a lot of roof systems, what I've seen over the last 3 months, are tested as EI, which is basically what's used for walls. The truth of it is, ideally it needs to be REI, because obviously that then gives you an imposed load, so it can be anything from 50 kilos per square metre up to 150 or maybe even greater. Depends on which test you're testing to, and which facility you're testing with as well. But again, like I say, these are the things which we're trying to do. We're trying to create awareness. We're trying to obviously get the better service to the architects, so when they specify something, that it does meet the achievements, that they don't need to have to go through the stitch joints and all those kind of things, because it's not that straightforward. It's not, and obviously it is a very time consuming. Sometimes you have cladding rails on the inside, so how do you put a stitch joint through that? Again, it's about making sure that construction is done correctly. We want to make sure that when architects and designers are specifying a system, that they're getting what they want. So, like I say, please get involved. We have had a couple of you know, manufacturers who've talked to us, and then obviously when we've explained about the certification side, they've decided they don't want to be involved now. I don't know why that would be, but you know, I can only think that it's, you know, they don't want to be publicly known or addressed globally. But yeah, we're here to help. We're here to, you know, to change, get rid of the negativity, and you know, and you know, to create some much needed positivity. So yeah, please get in touch, and hopefully I'll see you next week. Okay, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.